Hey, it's me. I'm back again. This video is for those people who somehow don't know how to install a software. So, in order to continue with this lectures, you should go to Google, type pycharm, click on the first link, then click download, and just click on this. It should start the download, and you will have an exe file. Just run this. I'll show you how. I have to do some configuration for that, so wait a second. So just click on that file, executable file, just a second, bear with me. And okay, something like this should pop up. You can click next. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to do that. It says uninstall, so it won't show up for you, but just go here, click next, and you should be good to go. And at the end it will ask you to choose the Python, how you want to reference the Python SDK. So click on the conda version, and it will ask you to download the mini conda, and that should be it. Okay, that's it for this one. Bye bye.